first ride on the GSX.
This shit is rough. This shit is fucking rough. No power steering right now. What's up? Day two.
Day 2 for real.
Yeah.
And we just bought a...
This is a universal power steering reservoir because this is the
It was
stock
all
one.
fucked up.
It's cracked. It's already been fixed. I fixed this shit like 2 years ago with JB Weld, but it cracked again. So until I find another one, we're gonna be using this universal one.
But we had a problem earlier. We couldn't... Hold it.
We have to go find a hose,
Which is now this big ass thing. And then we had to buy a coupling. Where is it? You have the brass one?
It's a reducer from like a 3/4 to 3/8.
So what we're doing essentially, it is trying to hide it because it usually comes here, right? From here all the way over here,
Tuck the power steering.
and it looks all messy. So we're going here. Okay, this is the power lines. So somehow we're gonna tie them here, and then make sure it doesn't touch anything in the bottom, and then run them through underneath the frame. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna place it here. Can you see it from me? Is it really there? That's what she still bending. So that's the what? Bracken pinion? The one that you put in there? No. Yes.
Yep. Man, this line, we're gonna have to fucking.
No, you can't cut that shit. So you don't even get ideas.
No, man, not cutting it. We're gonna have to put it here with a bracket. Yeah, atarla really tight because I don't want this shit rubbing on the axle.
Está bien. We'll get that when we get there.
Bro. I also got no wipers. No wiper, anything, dude. Cause race car.
Oh shit.
Ah, it's leaking on that side.